Andrew here, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, 704-966-1650, option 3, free technical support. Right now we're going to talk about Charlie 642 error code. Charlie 642, fill mode, pressure too high, items not sterile, push stop to restart. First thing it talks about is a defective air valve. We have leaking or defective air valve. Perform air valve test. Check for excessive steam coming through condensing coil spout. Clean, replace air valve. Okay, so the air valve is all the way in the back here. You can't see it, but it's back here. So we will have to take, if we're going to go down this road, you're going to have to take the top cover off, side panel off, back panel off. This whole thing's going to have to come apart to inspect that air valve. Before you do that, you're going to unplug the power, you drain all the water out, and then we can proceed. So it talks about restricted condensing coil. The condensing coil is inside of this reservoir. Check for blockage in coil and assure weep hole is present and not obstructed. On the bottom of the condenser coil, there's a weep hole. It could possibly become restricted. A clear blockage, replace condenser coil. Again, we have to take this cover off. So, pressure tubing, incorrect angle. So this is our pressure tubing again. This is at a perfect angle. If it's pointed down at the pressure transducer, that's bad. So this is good, this is perfect. You want it like this. Parallel, just keep it like this. That's how you do it. Okay, so I just pressure tube in the correct angle. Okay, blockage or malfunction in VistaCool system. If you have a VistaCool, then we'll have to go down this road. If you do not have a VistaCool, what I would do is pull all the instruments out, run an empty cycle and start it, and then just kind of watch the screen, see where your temperature and pressure go. If it starts to build up to about 250 degrees and about 15-20 psi, and then all of a sudden the psi starts dropping without the solenoid engaging, then it's probably defective. You're losing pressure. If you do have a VistaCool, we're going to check for blockage, check for debris in the blockage in the tubing fittings in the VistaCool system. Clean, replace as required. Check the operation of the inline thermal sensor. Replace thermal sensor, regulator, wax motor, or thermal sensor. Check for weep hole in manifold lid and threaded area on the tank of the VistaCool system. Drill hole in VistaCool manifold and threaded area into the tank. All this stuff, these deeper dives here, you're going to want to get a technician to do. Call somebody, have them come out to the office and check the VistaCool system. Check if the 90-degree elbow fittings are installed on the tank. Install 90-degree elbow fittings. The tank is lower than the facility drain. Check if tank is higher than the facility drain. So you're going to want that tank lower than the facility drain. That's all I can pretty much say. So if you like this video, please share it and subscribe to our channel for more Midmark M11/M9 new style error codes. Thank you very much.